Okay, so we continue with the word stroke. What causes a stroke? 1. Thrombotic stroke. What do we mean by the word thrombotic stroke? It said the blockage of an artery in the brain by a clot. Thrombosis is the most common cause of a stroke. The part of the brain that is supplied by the clotted blood vessel is then deprived of blood and oxygen. As a result of the deprived blood and oxygen, the cells of that part of the brain die, and the part of the brain that it controls stop working. Typically, a cholesterol plaque is one of the brain's small blood vessels ruptured and starts the clotting process. So, it says risk factors for narrowing blood vessels in the brain are the same as those that cause narrowing blood vessels in the heart and heart attack. So, that is what thrombotic stroke means. Now, the other one, high blood pressure, hypertension. 2, high cholesterol. 3, diabetes. And 4, smoking. So, all these are the causes of stroke. Now, it said embolic stroke. Another type of stroke may occur when a blood clot or a piece of atherosclerotic plaque, cholesterol and calcium deposit on the wall of the inside of the heart or artery breaks loose, travels through the bloodstream, and lodge in an artery in the brain. When blood flow stops, brain cells do not receive the oxygen and glucose they require to function, and a stroke occurs. This type of stroke is referred as an embolic stroke. An example, a blood clot may originally form in the heart chamber as a result of an irregular heart rhythm, like a atrial fibrillation. Usually, this clot remains attached to the inner lining of the heart, but occasionally they can break off, traveled through the bloodstream, block a brain artery, and cause a stroke. An embolism, either plaque or clot, may also originate in a large artery. For example, the carotid artery, a major artery in the neck that supplies blood to the brain and then travel downstreams to close a small artery within the brain. So this is what embolic stroke means. Now, the 3. Cerebral hemorrhage. A cerebral hemorrhage occurred when a blood vessel in the brain ruptured and bleed into the surrounding brain tissue. A cerebral hemorrhage, bleeding in the brain, causes stroke. Symptoms by depriving blood and oxygen to parts of the brain in a variety